Good morning students. In the last class we learned about muscles and how muscles are like elastic bands, which means they are tissues which can expand and contract. And we learned that there are over 600 muscles in human body, which means in our body. Today we are going to learn about different types of muscles. In human body there are 3 types of muscles. So first of all, you all have to open your books on page number 39. And then you have to read after me. Types of muscles. Our muscular system consists of 3 types of muscles. Striped or striated muscles. So the first type is striped or striated muscles. As we can tell by the name striped, this kind of thing makes us think that they have stripes on them. Let's know more. These muscles have stripes on them, just like the stripes on the body of a zebra. So striped or striated muscles has stripes on them, just like stripes on the body of a zebra. So therefore they are called striped or striated muscles. These muscles are under our control, which means that we have full control over their movements. These muscles, we can move them according to our will. They are also known as voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles are muscles which can be moved according to our will. The muscles in which control is in our hands, which we can control. They are present in our arms, legs, hands and feet. So, what we have learned is striped or striated muscles have stripes in them, just like a zebra. So, because they have stripes, they are called striped and striated muscles. They are under our control, which means we have full control over the movement of these muscles. That makes them voluntary muscles, which can be voluntarily moved by us. So they are voluntary muscles and they are present in our arms, legs, hands and feet. Now if you think, we can freely move our arms, legs, hands and feet whenever we want to. So they have striped and striated or striated muscles in them. Now the second type of muscle is smooth muscle. Smooth muscles, they do not have any stripes. So smooth muscles don't have any stripes. A picture is also given of smooth muscles and we cannot see any stripes on them. These muscles of our body are not under our control. They are also called involuntary muscles. So smooth muscles, they do not have stripes and they are not under our control. So they are called involuntary muscles. What are involuntary muscles? Muscles which cannot be moved according to our will or which are not under our control, which means that the movement in smooth muscles is not under our control. So they are called involuntary muscles. For example, we cannot control the muscles that are responsible for the heartbeat, movement of food or breathing. They work on their own and are controlled by the brain and the spinal cord. This means that smooth muscles are present in our internal organs, which means they are present in, for example, the stomach, the liver, the esophagus or any other internal organ. And they are controlled by the brain and the spinal cord. So what are smooth muscles? Smooth muscles, they do not have stripes. They are not under our control, so they are involuntary muscles and they are controlled by the brain and the spinal cord and they are present in internal organs. Now lastly, cardiac muscles. Our heart is made up of cardiac muscles. So cardiac muscles are present in our heart. These muscles are not attached to any bone. So cardiac muscles are present in our heart and so they are not attached to any bone. The muscles of the heart keep working 24 hours a day and throughout our lifetime. Now, our heart only stops beating when it is the time of death. So, cardiac muscles, they keep working 24 hours a day throughout our lifetime. And cardiac muscles are very strong and hence they never get tired. These muscles are also involuntary in nature. Cardiac muscles, they are present in the heart, they are not attached to any bone and they are very strong. They have to be strong so they do never get tired because they have to work 24 hours a day throughout our lifetimes, and they are involuntary in nature because we cannot control the work or the movement of the cardiac muscles. So they are involuntary in nature. The bones and muscles together perform important functions of the body. Regular exercise keeps the muscles healthy and in good condition. Correct posture also helps keep the skeleton in proper shape. So, because bones and muscles work together, it is our duty to take care of our body by doing regular exercise and taking care of our body and keeping a correct posture. Your homework for today is on page number 41, that is track your process. This is your homework for today, and you have to revise what we have done today, that is the types of muscles. Thank you.